up, YouTube? As you guys know, I got a go-kart. Well, I guess none of you know that because nobody's seen my fucking YouTube channel. But I do have a go-kart. It's a little sketchy. It's kind of fallen apart in some places. Well, most places. There's been a few issues that I've ran into and solved hastily with either zip ties or by just bolting shit together that's not supposed to be bolted together. That's besides the point. I'm here to fix it. I'm gonna make it right. Not in this video, you can wait later for that. And I'll just fucking punch the pipe. But in this video you get to see what's actually wrong with this bad boy. Which is basically nothing because it's perfect and I love her. Yeah. Damn. Alrighty, starting with the exhaust, we have a custom exhaust. It was my first ever exhaust, so the welds are not optimal. Probably not even airtight. And that goes all the way to my custom muffler, which I made from pipe that's a little bit thicker than this. I think this is 1-inch pipe right here. And then this is like 1 1/4. Basically I cut out a bunch of holes right into that bad boy and welded a pipe around it and filled this with steel or stainless steel, what's it called, scrubby stuff, the steel wool, stainless steel wool, and made the most ineffective muffler to pretty much ever exist. Yeah, I'll check out those welds. Don't judge. Still learning. Big time still learning. And I do have the muffler supported with this random piece of metal I cut off of something. Can't remember what, but it is supported. Not very well, but it is supported. Another little fun thing about this go-kart is I've got, what are these, 9-inch wide wheels in the back, which are freaking meaty and awesome and sweet, and they're Hoosiers, and that's badass. And I've got these bad boys in the front. Yeah, I think these are like 4.5s, maybe. Basically the meatiest tires you've ever seen. Not really. I was gonna put these on, but me not being the most graceful person or the most delicate person, I mildly bent. This is not even the bad one. I bent some, you know, areas of the wheel. Yeah, that one's basically mint, but the other one's trashed. Here, I'll see. Yeah, like I tapped on the wheel a little bit too hard trying to get the beads off and the tires on and whatnot. So basically these are trash. No, man, the tires, like the inside of the tires, that's really fucked up. So yeah, I'm rocking straight up understeer. So if you've ever actually watched one of my YouTube videos, which you haven't because no one's ever seen my fucking YouTube channel, you can see like me gunning it and just these just sliding forward. So yeah, that's gotta be my favorite mod. Now here's the juicy stuff. This is why I'll be, you know, redoing a little bit of mistakes or modifications that the previous owner did. As you can see, he did a few questionable welds, and I don't really understand his logic on a lot of them too, but there's another one. I don't even know how he got this bad boy to stick, but the whole entire go-kart's riddled with badass welds like that. And the main concern, if you make your way over here, is this. That little support brace. I mean, just that one's not that big of a deal splitting. But I also have that one trying to. And oh, you can actually see that surprisingly. And that one already split. So basically the only thing holding this bad boy together is the bolts holding the rear axle bearings and the actual axle itself. So yeah, I'm gonna take her all apart, weld her up, or I guess strip the paint, then weld her up, and then paint her a nice fancy silver, and maybe fix the seat. The seat's a little ghetto. It's just got bolts holding her in. Same with down there. And there's some debris I got from, you know, cruising and driving through grass. And another little modification that I made, I guess. Let's see if you can see it, is the zip tied on chair mount or racing seat mount. It's to spec, I think. And I use a motor mount to support the chair from going down too much. So yeah, basically, it's as safe as you're gonna get. Alright, well, this was just a quick little introduction on the go-kart. I guess I'll make a video, or I'll make a few videos of, you know, taking it all apart and stripping her all down and cleaning her up and making her look good and less sketchy. Alright guys, I'll see you. Okay, that was a really stupid outro. I don't know, whatever. I don't know what the gets the views. Fuck you guys. Is like probably not what you want to say. How about please like, subscribe, and comment on my channel. It really helps me out. That's what the YouTube people like, right? I don't know. Fuck guys, just bye.